Okay, Assalamualaikum. This is Teacher Adawiyah. Alright, since last time all of you didn't answer the subtraction part in your math test well, so I might want to do this again and again until all of you get the answers right. Okay, so there are two types of subtraction, which is the easier one. Alright, I'll show you. For example, we're going to do 235 minus 1, 2. Okay, so this is the easier part because big numbers can minus small numbers. So 5 minus 2 equals 3, 3 minus 1 equals 2, and 2 minus nothing equals 2. Alright, so the answer is 223. Alright, the hardest part is when you have to borrow from another house. For example, ones have to borrow from the tens, or tens have to borrow from the hundreds. For example, I will write here 700 and 112. 712, sorry. Alright, so let's minus big numbers like 85. Alright, you can see there that you cannot just simply minus small numbers minus big numbers. Okay, alright. So the easier way I can show you is to make it upside down, meaning you need to minus going up like this. It's easier like that. Easier than borrowing from another house. For example, alright, so you know 2 cannot minus 5, so you're going to make 5 minus 2. Alright, so 5 minus 2 is 3. What is the friend of 3 to make 10? What is the friend of 3 to make 10? Okay, so 3 plus 7 to make 10. Okay, so the answer here is 7. So you already borrowed 110 from this one. So this one already becomes nothing. Alright, so now 8 minus 0 equals nothing. But this one is easy because this one you have to borrow from 7 to make it 6. So this one becomes 10. It's easier. 10 minus 8 equals 2. And 6 minus nothing equals nothing. So like that. So to do subtraction, you have to remember all the friends to make 10. For example, 3 and 7, 2 and 8, 1 and 9, 4 and 6, and 5 and 5. Okay, just remember this friend. It will be easier for you to minus later. Okay, let's do another question. Okay, all right. Okay, I'm gonna do here 325. Okay, minus 17. All right, so you cannot have 5 minus 7 because 5 is smaller. So you make 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5 equals 2. So what's the friend of 2 here? What's the friend of 2? It is 8. So the answer here is 8. So you already borrow 110 from the tens. This 2 becomes 1. So 1 minus 1 equal 0. 3 minus nothing equals 3. Okay. Alright, now let's do another one. So you get a clearer picture of how to do this by yourself later. Okay, sorry, I'm just using my DIY whiteboard. Alright, so let's try 531 minus minus 38, for example. Okay, so you need to borrow because this is small. You cannot minus, so you instead you make 8 minus 1, which is 7. So 7, the friend of 7 is 3, so the answer is here is 3. So this one become 2. Now 2 cannot minus 3, also same. So 3 minus 2 equal 1. Now what's the friend of 1? It's 9. So this is 9. And then this one become 4. And the answer is 493. Alright, if you have any more question, you can just text me or comment in the below. Alright, thank you.